Class 10 Chapter 1 Exercise 1 fourth problem. Check out the remaining problems in the playlist and also subscribe my channel. Fourth problem is very important problem. Fourth problem. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. 1.1 fourth one. Let a be any positive integer and b is equal, we should take any value. By using Euclid's division lemma, a is equal b cube plus r, where 0 is less than or equals to r is less than b. Same problem there in NCERT exercise 1.1 question 5. There in NCERT also this is very important, and TS and AP syllabus also this fourth problem is a very important problem. Here b is equals to, will take 3. Why we are taking 3 means 3 is a factor of 9. Okay, if we will take 9 means here remainder r values what you will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 you will get. So that problem will be lengthy, therefore we will take 3. Okay, now a is equals to b q plus r, where 0 is less than or equals to r is less than b. In this we should substitute. A is equals to b. B is equals to what? 3. Means in the place of b we will write 3. This q is a quotient, same as it is to write, and remainder also same as it is write, where r values, where r is equals to what? R is equals to less than b. Less than b means b value is 3 no. Therefore what will get? Remainders, possible values of r means remainders 0, 1, 2 will get. Less than 3, always remember 0, 1, 2. When r is equals to, first we will take 0. When r is equals to 0, when r is equals to will take 0. A is equals to 3 q plus here remainder is equal what? R is equals to 0 taking, means r is equals to 0. A is equals to 3q plus r is equals to, we are writing 0. A is equals to 3 into q plus 0 means 0 has no value, no, therefore a is equals to 3q. Now cubing on both sides, cubing on both sides for this, cubing on both sides, cubing on, हम लोग क्यूब कर रहे हैं इसको మనం క్యూబ్ చేస్తున్నాం इसको దీనికి క్యూబింగ్ ఆన్ both sides. A is equals to 3 cube. See here, first I wrote a is equals to 3 cube. Cubing on both sides means for this only we should cube on LHS side, cubing on both sides for LHS side and RHS side. Okay, cubing on both sides means LHS side and RHS side. Now a cube, as it is write down, a cube is equals to 3 whole cube means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 cube is equals to 27. Okay, 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, means this value is 27 cube. See here, 3 cube whole cube means this is also in the form of a b whole to the power of 3 exponents, means what? A cube into b cube. Okay, in this exponent form. Now 3q whole cube, 3q whole cube is equals to 3 cube into q cube. Okay, already said 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 3 cube means 27 cube. Okay, that only I wrote directly. Okay, a cube is equals to LHS as is I am writing, whereas RHS in this 27 I am taking 9 taking common, and 9 taking common means in the bracket here 9 taking common means 9 3 is 27, 3 cube. A cube is equals to 9 into this total value is equals to m I am taking means 9m, where m is equals to 3 into cube I am taking, where m is a positive integer. Okay, m is a positive integer. Once I'll tell in Hindi and Telugu. A is equals to 3q है, इसको क्यूब कर रहे LHS साइड RHS साइड, क्यूबिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स. बाद में 3q होल क्यूब बोले तो क्या इस फॉर्मूला में लिखना, हाँ 3q होल क्यूब बोलते हो 3 क्यूब इंटू क्यूब में लिखे तो 3 क्यूब बोलते हो 3 इंटू 9 27 क्यूब लेके ना, लिखने के बाद 9 टेकिंग कॉमन, 9 कॉमन लिए तो 9 3 से 27 ना, 9 3 से 27 क्यूब ऐसे इस ब्रैकेट में लिखे. मगर ये 3 क्यूब है ना, इसको हम लोग m समझ रहे, बोलते m क्या है, कुछ भी नहीं, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है. बोलते a क्यूब इज इक्वल्स టు 9m. ఇన్ తెలుగు ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 3 ఉన్నది కదా, దీన్ని క్యూబింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ అంటే ఇక్కడ పవర్ 3 రాసిన తర్వాత ఈ 3q హోల్ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ 3 ఉన్నది కదా, దీన్ని ఇట్లా రాసుకోవాలి. ఏబీ హోల్ టు పవర్ ఆఫ్ 3 అంటే a టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ 3 ఇంటూ p టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ 3 ఈ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్లో రాసాం. అంటే 3q హోల్ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ 3 అంటే 3 క్యూబ్గా ఇంటూ q టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ 3 రాసే. 3 క్యూబ్ అంటే వాట్ 3 ఇంటూ 3 అంటే 3 టైమ్స్ రాస్తే 3 3 9 9 3 27. తర్వాత ఈ క్యూబ్ ఇట్లనే రాసిన తర్వాత ఈ 27 క్యూబ్ ఇక్కడ రాసాను. ఇది డైరెక్ట్లీ రాయాలి, ఇక్కడ ఇదంతా చేయని అవసరం లేదు, ఇదంతా మైండ్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ 9 కామన్ తీసుకున్నాం. 9 కామన్ తీసుకుంటే బ్రాకెట్లో ఏముంటుంది 9 3 27 కదా, అంటే 3 ఉంటుంది. 3 క్యూబ్ మరి ఈ బ్రాకెట్లో ఈ 3 క్యూబ్ టోటల్ను m అనుకుంటున్నాం మనం. దిస్ టోటల్ m అనుకుంటాం అంటే 9m. a cube is equals to 9m. This is the case 1. Now r is equals to, we are taking 1 means a is equals to 3 cube, a is equals to 3 cube plus r is equals to what 1 we are taking. Okay, in the place of r 1 we are taking. The a is equals to 3 cube plus 1. Same as is just now we did like that. A is equal to 3 cube plus 1, for this also cubing on both sides. A cube is equals to 3 cube plus 1 whole cube. Okay, now a cube LHS as it is write down is equals to a cube is equals to RHS is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube form this means a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, now see here a is equals to 3 cube and b is equals to 3 cube, b is equals to 1 means a cube 3 cube whole cube plus b cube means 1 cube plus 3 as it is write down into a square. A square means what 3q whole square, 3q whole square into b is equals to what 1 plus 3 as it is write down into a 3q b square means into 1 square. See here, this only we should write here 3q a cube. Once I am writing, see here a cube, a means 3 cube, b means 1, remember a cube plus b cube 1 cube plus 3a square b 3 into a square 3q whole square into 1 3ab 3a square b plus 3a into b square. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the formula. Here a cube as it is write down. LHS is equals to 3 cube whole cube means just now I said in the first problem. 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 27 cube plus 1 cube means 1 only plus this 3 into first bracket value 3 into 3 9q square into 1 means 9q square only plus 3 into 3 9q. A cube is equals to 27 cube plus 1 plus 3 9 is 27 q square plus 9q. Next step, a cube is equals to 27 q cube. We are writing in the simplest form, means descending order. Power should be in descending order. Q to the power of 3 afterwards q square means plus 27 q cube afterwards 27 q square plus 9q plus 1. See here powers in the descending order 3 2 1 plus constant. Now in this total we will take 9 taking common. A cube is equals to, we are taking 9 taking common. 9 taking common means what? 3 will be 9 3s 27, 3 cube in brackets plus 9 3s 27, 3 q square plus 9 1s 9 means 1 into q means q only, no? Therefore don't directly write q plus 1. How to take common you don't know means I'll tell. 8th class based upon this 27 q cube we should write in irreducible form. 27 means 3 into 3 into 3 into q into q into q. Okay, if this is called irreducible form, you should write in the factors. Again 27 also 3 into 3 into 3 into q into q. Okay, and 9 also we can write 3 into 3 into q. In these three terms we are taking only this numbers only we are taking. We are not taking variables. Therefore in this 3 ones, in this common, in this common, in this common is 3. Again in this also 3 common, 3. Therefore 3 3 is 9. Okay, in this 9 there, in this 9 there, in this 9 there common. Okay, now what is the left? 3q cube. Okay, brackets 3q cube. And next what will take? 9 we are taking common is what left? Okay, bracket removing and write plus 3q square. 3q square. See here 3q square. In this what left? Cube means plus cube. Okay, this is a method to take common. 9 taking common means 3q cube. Here 9 taking common in this means 3q square. In this 9 taking common means what left? Cube. Okay, कंसल्टेंट इन हिंदी एंड तेलुगु. यहाँ पर r इज इक्वल 1 ले रहे हैं. r इज इक्वल टू 1 लिए तो a इज इक्वल टू 3q प्लस 1. बाद में क्यूबिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स, बाद में फार्मूला में सब्स्टिट्यूट करें आर एच एस साइड a प्लस बी होल क्यूब बोलते ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर बी प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर. आर एच एस सब्स्टिट्यूट करें. ए बोले तो 3 क्यूब, बी बोलते 1 बोल तो ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब 3 इंटू ए स्क्वायर इंटू बी प्लस 3 इंटू ए बी स्क्वायर बोल तो ए के प्लेस में 3 क्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करें, बी के प्लेस में 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करें. ये आर एच एस टोटल, ये आर एच एस टोटल. बाद में 3 क्यू होल क्यूब बोलते 27 क्यू क्यूब प्लस 1 प्लस 3 ऐसे लिखे 3 इंटू 3 9 क्यू स्क्वायर प्लस ये 3 इंटू 3 9 क्यू इंटू 1 मीन्स 9 क्यू ओनली. बाद में ये 27 क्यूब लिखने के बाद ये 3 9 से 27 ये प्लस 1 ऐसे लिखे प्लस 9 क्यूब. बाद में क्या करें बोलते ये डिनोमीटर वैल्यूज सेम लिखना 3 2 1 डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना बोलते सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. पहले 27 क्यूब लिखे, बाद में 27 क्यू स्क्वायर, बाद में 9 क्यू प्लस 1. बाद में इसमें टोटल नंबर्स कॉमन ले रहे हैं, क्यू कॉमन नहीं ले रहे हैं. नंबर्स क्या ले रहे हैं बोलते कॉमन 9 ले रहे कॉमन. बोलते इसमें क्या बचा यहाँ पर 3, 9 3 27, 3 क्यू क्यूब प्लस ईयर ऑल्सो 9 3 27, 3 क्यू स्क्वायर, 9 ईयर 9 कॉमन लिए तो क्या कुछ भी नहीं 1 बचाना, बोलते 1 नहीं लिखना खाली क्यू लिखना। ओके ये टोटल ब्रैकेट में लिखने के बाद +1 ऐसे लिखो। ओके आंसर टेल इन తెలుగు ఈ a is equals to when r is equal 1 ఇక్కడ r is equals to 1 అని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 3q + 1 దీన్ని క్యూబింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఈ RHS ఈ ఫార్ములా రాసాం a + b హోల్ క్యూబ్ = a³ + b³ + 3a² b + 3ab². తర్వాత a అంటేనో 3q, b అంటేనో 1 ఇందులో రాసాం ఈ RHSలో రాసాం a³ + b³ + 3 into a² into b plus 3ab² లో రాసాం. ఓకే 3q అంటే 3q హోల్ క్యూబ్ అంటే 27q³ ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 3 into 3q హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే 3 into 3 9q² ప్లస్ 3 into 3 9q ఈ 27q³ ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 3 9 27q² ప్లస్ 9q ఈ +1 ఇటు రాసినాం. ఇది అంటే సింప్లెస్ట్ ఫామ్ రాసాం. సింప్లెస్ట్ ఫామ్ అంటే 27q⁻³ తర్వాత 27q² ప్లస్ 9q ప్లస్ 1 రాసాం. తర్వాత ఇందులో టోటల్ ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడికి క్యూ కామన్ తీసుకుంటాం కానీ నెంబర్ కామన్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను 9 కామన్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. కామన్ తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ 3q³ 9 3 27 కదా 3q³ ఈ ప్లస్ రాసినాం 9 3 ఇందులో కూడా 9 3 27 అంటే 3q² ప్లస్ 9 1s 9 కదా అంటే 9 ఆల్రెడీ బయట రాసినాం అంటే క్యూ ఒకటే రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ వరకు కామన్ అయిపోయింది ప్లస్ 1 a³ = 9. This total value is equals to I am taking m 9m plus 1 since m is equals to 3q³ plus 3q² plus q means this total value is equals to m. This total value I wrote this total value is equal to m taking this total value is equal to m 9m plus 1. What we should show 9m and 9m plus 1 and next 9m plus 8 cube of any positive integer means first case 9m finished, second case 9m plus 1. Now third case we will place third case we should prove 9m plus 8 when r is equals to a is equals to 3q plus in the place of r we will write 2. Now cubing on both sides for this here also cubing here also 3 3 a³ is equals to 3q plus 2 whole cube. Now this RHS we should substitute in the form of a plus b whole cube is equal to a³ plus b³ plus 3a² b plus 3ab². That only I wrote here. Okay. Now I'll substitute C once. A means 3q. A means 3q. In the place of a I am writing 3q whole cube. B means 2 cube plus 3 into a square. A means 3q. 3q whole square. B means 2. Again plus 3ab². A means what? 3q. 3q into b means what? 2 square. a³ as it is write down is equals to 3q whole cube means 27q³ already I said first case plus 2q means 2 into 2 means 2 2s 4 4 2s 8. This is 8 plus 3 into 3q whole square means 3 into 3 9q square into 2 this into 2 as it is right afterwards will multiply 3 into 3 9q into 2 into 2 4. Next step a³ is equals to 27q cube plus 8 plus 3 9s 27 27 2s 54 q square. This total 54q square plus 9 4s 36q. LHS as it is write down. Now RHS 27q cube Writing in the simplest form, 27q cube of what? 54q square, powers in descending orders, plus 36q plus 8. Okay, 3, 2, 1, powers in descending order. Simplest form I wrote this total simplest form. Now a cube is equals to I am taking in this 9 taking common. I am taking 9 common, means what left here? 3, means 9 3 is 27, means 3q cube plus 9 6 54, 9 6 54, 6q square plus here 9 4 36, 4q plus this 8 right as it is. Okay, here see once 9 taking common means here 3q cube, here 9 taking common means 6q square, here 9 taking common means 4q. What you wrote in this bracket correct there or not means see once 9 3 is 27, 9 6 54, 9 4 36q. Now this total value is equals to I am taking m. A cube is equals to 9m plus 8. Since m is equals to this total 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q, where m is a positive integer. We proved here in the case 3, cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Last step, therefore cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8.